Good morning, students. I am Prabha. Today's subject is EVS Lesson 3, Part 4. In the previous class, we studied about domestic animals. Today, we are going to see some interesting fact about domestic animals. First is about cow. How many of you seen cow? Everybody know about cow because we love to drink cow's milk. Fact is that there are no male cows. Cows are female. Male are called bulls. Cows are vegetarian. They won't eat meat. They eat only grass, hay, grains. Cows sleep only 4 hours a day. Cow has 4 compartments in stomach as we have rooms in our house. First, cows swallow the food. While taking rest, they bring back their food and chew again. Like this, cows eat the food. Cows can walk upstairs but cannot walk down. Cows, goats, and sheep don't have teeth on the upper jaw, but we have teeth on both upper and lower jaws. Next is about milk. We get milk from sheep, goat, and cow. Milk is rich in protein and calcium. Do you know that if you eat something spicy, drinking milk will cool the burning sensation in your mouth? So, next time, children, if you feel your mouth is burning, drink some milk, okay? How many of you are having pet animals at home? What is your pet? A dog or cat or a parrot? I think most of us have dogs as pet, isn't it? Have you ever watched the expressions of dog? It looks so cute. Dogs have about 100 different facial expressions. Mostly it will make with ears. There are more than 300 types of dogs in the world. Another one is cat. Cat can rotate their ear up to 180 degree. And cats can hear 5 times keener than that of human. Next about hens. If there are hens nearer to you, you can hear the cocks singing at early morning. How it sing? Cock-a-cock. Hens sing when they are happy and enjoy listening to music. Now I am going to ask you one question about hens. Guess and answer for this. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Do you find out the answer? Chicken is the answer, as the chicken came from an egg of a bird. But it's not a chicken. Do you understand what I am saying? Another fact about chicken is chicken meat is called white meat, but mutton meat is called red meat. Also, eating chicken daily lead to various health problems. So children, avoid eating chicken daily, okay? And we should not mix non-veg with milk. That is, you should not drink milk while eating non-vegetarians like chicken, mutton, fish, etc. During occasions, your mom wear silk saree. Where do we get this silk? It is from the cocoon of a silkworm. Very good. You are right. Do you know the story of silk? Today I am going to tell about that. Okay? Silk was first invented in China. How? One day, a Chinese princess was sitting under the tree and drinking hot tea. At the time, something fell into the tea. She tried to take it out, but it came as a fiber. She pulled and got a long, shiny fiber. From that fiber, she made a cloth. It was soft and silky. Thus, silk was invented. We Indians wore silk dresses on occasions to show our prestige. Another fact is that silk protects us from mosquito bite. A silk rope is stronger than a metallic rope. Now we are going to see about honeybees. Honeybees are very hard workers. They collect nectar from flowers throughout summer. To make 1 pound of honey, they have to fly 2 million flowers to collect nectar. Wow, how amazing it is! You can hear buzzing sound near bees. Do the bees make sound in their mouth? No. The bees beat their wings 11,400 times in 1 minute. This makes the buzz sound. Also, bees live in a colony, that is, in groups. In one hive, there are about 20,000 to 60,000 honey bees and only one queen bee. Queen bee only lays eggs. You know, children, bees also talk with each other. They talk by dancing. This dance is called waggle dance. And if you collect honey from the comb, the bees won't get tired. It will again start collecting nectar. Children, we must also be sincere and hard worker like honeybees. Nowadays, we need more immune power to fight against diseases like coronavirus. So, take 1 spoon of honey every day. That will build up your immunity. The hair of sheep is called wool. Fact about wool is single fiber is thinner than a single hair in our head. See how we get wool from the sheep? The hair is shaved and cleaned. Then it is cleaned in boiling water and the fibers are separated. This wool is then used for knitting sweaters, socks, etc. Okay, now tell me, have you seen camels here? Where do they live? Yes, they live in deserts. Can you travel in a sea using a car or bike? No, we need ship to travel. Same way, in the desert, we need camel to travel. So, it is called as the ship of the desert. In deserts, we don't get food and water. But camels can live for weeks and even for months without eating. They can also drink water up to 40 gallons in one go. Camels can also run as fast as a race horse. Have you ever ride on a horse? Horse looks beautiful, isn't it? Fact is that horse can run shortly after birth. Also, horses sleep while standing. Horse riding is a fun. Our grandparents used to ride in horse cart or bullock cart. Still, some people are using chariots during wedding occasions. These are some facts about domestic animals. Okay, now tell me how to take care of these animals. If we are having animals at home, we need to do some things. First thing is it needs food. So we should feed them at the right time. As they are doing many work, we should feed them with healthy food. We expect care and affection from our parents, isn't it? Same way, animals also expect love and care from us. We have to bath them and keep clean. We must be very kind to them. If they are not well, we have to take them to an animal doctor. Children, that's all for today. We are going to revise the lesson now. What's the lesson? Animals around us. What we studied in this lesson? About domestic animals. What are domestic animals? The animals that we keep at home or in farms are called domestic animals. We tame them for our use. Domestic animals are of two types, farm animals and pet animals. Animals kept in farms are called farm animals. Examples of some farm animals are cow, buffalo, hen. Milk and milk products. Animals which give milk are cow, buffalo, camel, goat. Milk is a healthy food. It contains proteins and calcium which makes our bones and teeth stronger. We get curd, butter, ghee, cheese and paneer from milk. We can also make sweets and ice creams from milk. Now about eggs and meat. We get eggs from hen, duck and goose. Eggs contain protein. Eggs are used to make cakes, pastries and muffins. We get meat from goat, sheep. Hen's meat is called chicken, goat's meat is called mutton. People eat fish, crab, prawns also. Next is honey and wool. From honeybees, we get honey and wax. Honey is used in making food and medicines. Wax is used for making candles. We get wool from sheep. Wool is used for making sweaters, socks, blankets, etc. We get silk from silkworm. Silk is used to make saris, neckties, and scarves. We get leather from animals such as snakes and alligators. Leather is used to make wallets, belts, shoes, bags. Other uses of animals. Some animals help us to travel from one place to another to carry loads. Example bullock, elephant, donkey, horses. Oxen help to plow the field. Dung of animals is also used as manure for plants. Animals like dog, cat, parrot are kept at home. These animals are called pet animals. Pets are like our friends. Dog guards our house. Cats chases mice. We must spend time with them, love them, and take care of them. Now about homes of animals. As domestic animals live with us, we have to make shelter for them. All animals have individual home. First is dog. It guards our house. Dog home is called kennel. Hen lives in coop. Cow and goat lives in shed. The home of horse is called stable. Pig stay in pigsty. Children, we have completed EVS lesson 3 revision. Again, I am reminding you, you need writing practice. So, daily write 10 simple words in your rough note. Now, bye children. Take care. Be safe.